Are you ready to travel, to virtually explore the world? Join me on today's adventure to the Angkor Wat Temple. Located in Cambodia, the Angkor Wat Temple is one of the largest religious monuments in the world, and tourists often go to see the sun rise over the temple. What you will need for this field trip is a computer with Google Streets access. Are you ready? Let's go! In Google, search for Angkor Wat. On the results page, you'll see the map view here on the right-hand side, so go ahead and click on that. All right. We just zoom in just a little bit with the wheel on your mouse or the zoom tools here on the right-hand side. If you need to, you can click and drag to center it on your screen. But let's zoom in. There we go. Now, let's grab Pegman, our street view friend, down here in the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to click and drag them on over and drop them along a blue line. That is the official Google Streets access to this site. And there we go. We're at the site. You can click and drag your mouse around. Just seeing some trees here, that's okay. You can always back out using the left arrow up here in the upper left-hand corner. And let's go more to the center of the site and drop. And there we go. Take a look at that. This ancient city is remarkable. Click and drag your mouse to pivot around, just as I am doing. And then you can move around the site as you see the arrows floating. Click. And you can wander around. What's unique about this site is that it has multiple layers with the Google Streets access, so you can be up high or down low on the ground and get all different perspectives. It's really cool. Again, if you get stuck at all, you can always back out. Zoom in just a little bit more helps, and we can click and drag. And there we go. Another perspective. So I hope you take the time to really explore this ancient city. So that was just a brief overview of this site. I hope you continue to explore and use the guided activities at planolibrarylearns.org to further your experience. And we will see you on the next virtual field trip.